So we're going in the Escape Traveler XL. This is a standard Traveler XL. So I don't know if you can notice by now, but this unit is the Traveler XL. It's not one of the wide units. Can you tell? So yeah, the bathroom is very nice, but I'd like to show you the bedroom because this tiny house, the Traveler XL tiny house, has a main floor bedroom and it can be pretty private. You see the sliding glass door right there? Check it out. So that was that, but now I've got one more tiny I want to show you, and this is another Traveler XL, but it's a wide